Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we see about on an exciting journey to explore the world of AI technology. Artificial intelligence, commonly referred to as AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a remarkable technology that allows machines to think and learn like humans. It helps us accomplish tasks faster, make better decisions, and discover new possibilities, making our lives easier and more efficient. Get ready to discover the incredible ways AI impacts our lives. From virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is revolutionizing various industries. We'll uncover how AI enhances healthcare by aiding in disease diagnosis and treatment. It optimizes transportation systems, making travel safer and more efficient. Join us as we reveal the benefits of AI, such as its ability to improve productivity, make better decisions, and enhance our daily experiences. We'll also explore the ethical considerations surrounding AI, ensuring a balanced perspective. Get ready to witness the remarkable applications of AI in education, finance, entertainment, and beyond. Don't miss out on this exciting adventure as we unravel the mysteries and possibilities of AI technology. Have you ever wondered how platforms like Netflix and Spotify recommend the perfect movies or songs? It's all thanks to AI. AI algorithms analyze your preferences and behavior to suggest personalized content that matches your tastes. Get ready to discover how AI makes your lives easy. So, hit that subscribe button, and let's enter on an eye-opening exploration of AI together. Get ready to be amazed by the transformative power of artificial intelligence.